If you are looking for a mini dash cam for your vehicle, then I would strongly recommend this one. I have been really impressed with it the last few weeks. I found that it was really simple to install. It seems to be really great quality and well constructed, and I love that it came with everything I needed to get it installed. I'm also really loving the smart voice control features.
Video start. Video stop. Show both cameras.
The app is super user friendly, and I love being able to access all of my footage via the app. I think it's great that due to the built-in Wi-Fi, you can instantly view and manage all of your footage through the app. So I really love that feature as well. The video quality is really good, as well as the night vision. I really like that this comes with 4 cameras, so you have your 3 front cameras and your rear camera as well. I love the wide angle field of view and how the left and right cameras can be rotated to adjust to fit your needs. My favorite feature is for sure the smart voice control, so that it can be completely hands-free while I'm driving. I'm really impressed with the compact design and the really great resolution as well. This is exactly what I was looking for in a dash cam, and I'm pretty impressed with the overall quality of it. Thanks to the brand for sending it to me to try out.